Have you ever paused to wonder what makes you uniquely you? What crafts the essence of who you become? I believe it's the things that we do that shape us. Take crafting, for instance, a passion my mother instilled in me. From a young age, she guided my hands in the art of sewing, a gift that has woven itself deeply into my being. As I grew, these skills were little more than a hobby, a way to pass the time. But when my mother passed away in 2020, this pastime took on a new meaning. Sewing became my peace, my connection to her enduring spirit. It became a way to honor her memory, to feel her presence in every stitch and every creation. This craft has taught me an invaluable lesson, to cherish the activities that define us. To keep creating is to keep evolving into our best selves. Now, enough of that. Let's get to crafting. For today's project, we will be making reusable fabric Easter eggs. The tools and materials needed for this project are listed above. Grab your template, your scrap piece of fabric, and start by folding the fabric in half, leaving plenty of seam allowance on the sides. Cut a total of 4 rectangles the same size. Fold 2 rectangles in half and press the fold with your iron. Now, it's time to top stitch along the edge of both folded pieces. Once completed, separate the thread and let's layer our fabrics. This part is important, so pay attention. With the 2 larger unsewn rectangles, place the back sides of the fabric pieces together, leaving the pretty fabric side exposed. Take 1 small sewn square and with the top stitch facing down and the flops facing up, line it up where the center of your egg would be. With the next sewn square, overlap it over the last square, making sure you do not see the first top stitch. It is also important you have a seam allowance on the top, bottom, and the sides of the egg. Pin or clip all the way around so that your fabric does not adjust. Next, draw your template on your fabric and take it to your machine. Sew all the way around on the line you just drew. Once finished, remove the project and take away any thread that's not needed. Then take your serrated or non-serrated scissors and cut around the outside of the thread, leaving a little less than a 1/4 inch of fabric. Flip your project inside out from the pocket side and shape the egg with your hands. Then press with the iron. And your project is complete. Fill this egg up with your favorite treats and reuse them every year. Best part about it, you can pop them in the washer and dryer. Thanks for watching, everybody. Join us next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.